Greetings, classmates. Professor of the Man&Sea class. We are Group 18, and this is our midterm presentation about sea transportation and rogue waves. These waves are an oceanic phenomenon that have also puzzled scientists for centuries, with finding mitigations on how to prevent, how to forecast these waves, and ways that we can stay safe when we travel via the water. Enjoy.
Rogue waves are large and unexpected ocean waves that can be more than twice the height of surrounding waves. Unlike tsunamis, which are caused by seismic activity, rogue waves are generated by ocean currents, wind, and wave interactions. They can reach heights of 30 meters or more, appearing suddenly and disappearing just as quickly.
Rogue waves are still not fully understood, but scientists believe they are formed through 1. Wave construction interference. When multiple smaller waves combine at just the right time, they create a massive wave. 2. Ocean current and wind effect. Some ocean current can force waves into a confined space, making them grow unpredictably. Thirdly, nonlinear effect. Waves can absorb energy from surrounding waves, grow rapidly in size.
MS Martian in 1928, a German cargo ship sank mysteriously in the Atlantic. Many experts believe a rogue wave was possible. Queen Elizabeth II in 1995, the cruise ship encountered a 29-meter rogue wave described as a wall of water.
After this terrifying encounter, the Queen Elizabeth II cruise did manage to survive the wave and was later sold in 2008.
Drabner wave 1995, the first rogue wave ever recorded by instrument measuring 26 meters in the North Sea.
Firstly, threats to ships. Rogue waves can overwhelm large vessels, leading to capsizing or severe structural damage. Ships caught off the guard may not have time to adjust course, increasing the risk of accidents.
Damage to offshore structure. Oil rigs and offshore platforms can suffer serious damage from rogue waves, leading to environmental disasters and economic loss.
Navigation and safety risks. First, rogue waves are difficult to predict, making maritime navigation riskier. Second, modern technology such as satellite monitoring and advanced radar helps detect rogue waves, but prevention remains challenging.
Firstly, improved forecasting model. Scientists are developing better models to predict rogue wave formation. Second, stronger ship designs. Engineers are reinforcing ship structure to withstand extreme wave. Lastly, real-time monitoring, centralized and voice system provide early warnings to ships in high-risk areas.
In conclusion, rogue waves are one of the most dangerous and unpredictable threats in the ocean. While advancements in science and technology have improved our understanding, they remain a significant challenge in sea transportation. By continuing research and enhancing ship safety, we can reduce the risks that these monstrous waves pose. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Oh my gosh, it's coming. The rogue waves. Oh, run! Oh!